Welcome to this complete Zurich, Switzerland guide. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Zurich is a stunning blend of captivating culture and exceptional history. A city where the old intertwines seamlessly with the new, Zurich boasts a rich heritage that dates back to ancient times. Known for its picturesque landscapes, world-renowned museums and vibrant city life, Zurich is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So buckle up as we embark on this journey of exploration and wonder. Get ready to explore the top 10 must-visit places in this vibrant city. Our first stop is the tranquil Lake Zurich. This natural gem sparkles in the heart of the city, a mirror reflecting the sky and the surrounding hills. It's a haven of peace, a place where the city's pulsating energy surrenders to nature's calm. Now imagine yourself here in one of the many boats that dot the lake, the breeze gently tugging at your hair, the water lapping melodiously against the hull. It's an orchestra of natural sounds that takes you away from the city's constant chatter. Yet, Lake Zurich is not just about quiet contemplation, it's also a playground for water enthusiasts. Whether you're into sailing, windsurfing, or simply fancy a leisurely swim, the lake welcomes you with open arms. And of course, the views. Oh, the views! The lake offers a panoramic spectacle of Zurich's skyline, a picturesque postcard that you'd want to keep forever. Indeed, Lake Zurich is nature's masterpiece, offering a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Next, we take a stroll through the historic Old Town, Altstadt. A testament to Zurich's rich history, Altstadt is a charming labyrinth of winding lanes where every turn reveals a surprise. Its medieval architecture is a feast for the eyes, with buildings that have stood the test of time, their stone walls whispering tales of the past. Home to many well-preserved landmarks, Altstadt brings history to life. From guild houses turned restaurants to the medieval ramparts, every nook and cranny of the old town tells a story. It's like going back in time, but with the comfort of modern-day amenities. As we meander through the narrow cobblestone streets, we're drawn to the vibrant squares where locals and tourists alike gather for a taste of Zurich's lively culture. From the lively marketplaces to the tranquil courtyards, Altstadt is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Steeped in history, Altstadt provides a fascinating glimpse into Zurich's rich past. Now let's venture into the luxurious world of Bahnhofstrasse. This is not just a street, it's a high-end shopping oasis, a place where luxury lives and breathes. Bahnhofstrasse is often hailed as one of the world's most expensive shopping avenues, and it's easy to see why. Every step you take here is an encounter with elegance and exclusivity. Picture the finest brands in fashion, jewelry, and watches, all lined up like stars on a red carpet. From the Swiss precision of Rolex to the French elegance of Chanel, Bahnhofstrasse is a runway showcasing the crème de la crème of luxury brands. But it's more than just shopping. It's about the experience, the feeling of walking down a street that exudes opulence and sophistication. It's about the joy of discovering a piece that speaks to you, the thrill of owning something truly special. Bahnhofstrasse is a paradise for luxury lovers, offering an unparalleled shopping experience. Moving on, we come across the majestic Grossmünster. This grandiose Romanesque-style Protestant church is not just a sight for sore eyes. Oh no, it's a place steeped in history, a symbol of Zurich's religious and architectural journey. Centuries ago, this very place witnessed the rise of the Swiss-German Reformation under the guidance of Huldrych Zwingli. It was here Zwingli challenged the Catholic Church's doctrines and rituals, sparking a religious revolution that forever shaped the spiritual landscape of Switzerland. The church's architecture is just as significant as its history. Its distinctive twin towers, crowned with domed caps, dominate Zurich's skyline. The interior, while austere compared to other churches, is equally captivating. The stained glass windows created by artist Sigmar Polk add a modern touch to this ancient edifice. Grossmünster, with its twin towers, stands as a testament to Zurich's religious and architectural evolution. Let's immerse ourselves in the artistic brilliance of Kunsthaus Zurich. This iconic museum, nestled in the heart of Zurich, is a beacon of creative expression, housing one of the most extensive art collections in Europe. Its walls echo with the voices of artistic giants, from Monet and Van Gogh to Picasso and Matisse. Yet Kunsthaus Zurich is not just a repository of past brilliance. It's a dynamic space that embraces the evolving landscape of art. Its contemporary exhibits are a testament to this, showcasing the cutting-edge works of emerging artists alongside the timeless classics. At Kunsthaus Zurich, every visit is a new experience, a fresh exploration into the depths of creative thought and artistic innovation. It's a place that invites you to think, to question, to marvel at the beauty of human creativity. From classic to contemporary, Kunsthaus Zurich is a haven for art enthusiasts. Next, we explore the informative Swiss National Museum. An architectural marvel in its own right, the museum is housed in an imposing chateau of French Renaissance style, a testament to the past that it safeguards. It's as if the walls whisper tales of yore as you walk through the grand hallways. The museum is home to a vast collection of artifacts, over 800,000 to be precise, each piece an integral thread in the fabric of Swiss cultural history. From ancient tools to medieval weaponry, from Renaissance paintings to modern sculptures, every era is represented here, showcasing the evolution of Swiss civilization over the centuries. This remarkable institution plays a crucial role in preserving the Swiss cultural history, providing a window into the past for future generations to peer through. It's not just a museum, it's a time capsule, encapsulating the spirit of Switzerland in its galleries. The Swiss National Museum is a treasure trove of Swiss history, culture, and art. Now, let's ascend the breathtaking Uetliberg Mountain. This natural gem reaches towards the heavens, standing tall as a beacon of adventure and discovery. The journey to the summit itself is a rewarding experience as you traverse through lush forests and picturesque trails. Feel the thrill of the climb, the crunch of gravel beneath your boots, and the whisper of the wind in the trees. At the pinnacle, a panoramic vista unfolds before your eyes. The city of Zurich, nestled by the shimmering Lake Zurich, stretches out in an expansive tapestry of urban life and natural beauty. From this vantage point, the city's landmarks appear as miniature models in an artist's diorama. It's a view that leaves visitors spellbound, and it's easy to see why. It's the perfect spot for a picnic or a moment of quiet reflection. The Uetliberg Mountain is not just a hike, it's a journey, an exploration of nature, a test of endurance, and a reward for the senses. Uetliberg Mountain offers an unforgettable experience, blending adventure with awe-inspiring views. Let's find peace and tranquility at Lindenhof. This is not just a park, it's a piece of Zurich's history. Once the site of a Roman castle, its stone remnants still peek out from the grass, whispering tales of the city's ancient past. Can you hear them? Over the centuries, Lindenhof has evolved into a beloved local meeting point. Whether it's chess enthusiasts locked in a battle of wits, or friends sharing a leisurely afternoon, the park is a hub of community life. But it's not just the locals who adore Lindenhof. Visitors too are drawn to the park, and not just for its historical significance. From its elevated vantage point, Lindenhof offers panoramic views of Zurich's cityscape. It's a sight that dazzles by day and sparkles by night, a visual feast that's hard to forget. Lindenhof is a serene oasis in the heart of Zurich, offering a peaceful retreat amidst the city's hustle. Finally, we visit the exotic Zurich Zoo and the historic Fraumünster Church. Zurich Zoo is more than just a place to view animals. It's a sanctuary dedicated to conserving biodiversity and enhancing our understanding of the animal kingdom. Home to more than 360 species, the zoo is a kaleidoscope of wildlife, from the mighty African elephants to the delicate butterflies. Yet, it's not just about variety. The zoo's commitment to conservation is remarkable, providing a safe haven for many endangered species and actively participating in international breeding programs. From the wild landscapes of the zoo, we step into the hallowed halls of the Fraumünster Church. A beacon of Zurich's history, the church stands as an emblem of faith and art. It dates back to the mid-9th century, a testament to the city's rich past. Within its walls, you'll find one of its most treasured elements, the stained glass windows. Created by Marc Chagall, these 5 windows are a symphony of color and light, each telling a biblical story in a kaleidoscope of hues. They are a mesmerizing sight, captivating visitors with their intricate designs and vibrant colors. Zurich Zoo and Fraumünster Church offer a perfect blend of nature's wonders and architectural marvels, concluding our tour on a high note. From the wild whispers of the animal kingdom to the silent stories told by stained glass, these 2 attractions encapsulate the diverse charm of Zurich, inviting you to explore and learn in the most delightful way. And that concludes our guide to the enchanting city of Zurich. We've journeyed from the serene Lake Zurich to the historical Old Town, indulged in the luxury of Bahnhofstrasse, and admired the majestic Grossmünster. We've immersed ourselves in art at Kunsthaus Zurich, delved into history at the Swiss National Museum, and taken in breathtaking views from Uetliberg Mountain. We found peace at Lindenhof, encountered exotic creatures at Zurich Zoo, and marveled at the historic Fraumünster Church. Zurich, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes, is a city that promises an unforgettable journey. Thank you for joining us on this tour.